Hi friends, today we're going to read Cooking with the Grinch. Let's start. Cooking with the Grinch. The Grinch goes down to the town. He hears the bells, ding dong, ding dong. He hears the woos, they sing, sing, sing. He taps a door. It's Kindy Lou. She likes to cook. The Grinch does too. He likes to mix. She likes to stir. She cooks with him. She cooks with her. They make some treats and start to bake. Who will eat the treats they make? Max! Oh no! No, no, no. Max, you have to go, go, go. The treats are done. Don't let them tip. Oh no, the treats, they start to slip. Candy Lou is fast. The treats do not fall. She saves the treats. She saves them all. Merry Christmas, Max. Yum, 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 yum. The treats are now in Max's tummy. The end. I hope you like this story. See you in the next video. Bye.